Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset your Philips Hue light bulb without having the Hue bridge or dimmable light switch. The only thing you're going to need is the Amazon Alexa app. So opening up the app, you're going to see in the bottom right hand corner devices, so we're going to click that. In the devices section you're going to see the plus symbol in the top right hand corner, click that. Now we're going to click the add device. In the setup section now, in the top right hand corner, you're going to see the question mark. So go ahead and click that. And then in the help section, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click here. Now, further in the help section, we're going to scroll down a bit further to where it says Reset Philips Hue Light. Click that. You're going to follow the on-screen instructions and input your serial number, which you can find on your Hue light bulb. Really easy to find. And I'm just going to put in mine now so we can continue with the process. So that's in. So I'm going to click continue. It's going to ask you if your light is switched on. If it is, click it's on. So now it's going to reset your Philips Hue light. It's going to flicker a few times during this process, and it's going to be rediscovered in the Alexa app once it's finished. So once it's finished, you'll be able to set it up again as normal, and it's a really nice and easy process. You don't need to buy anything extra. All I have is my Philips Hue light bulb and my Amazon Echo Plus. That is it. Don't need anything else. If you like this video, guys, give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.